How to contact OKX support. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can contact OKX support, and here is how you can go about it. The first step is to log in into your account, that is your OKX account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you'll see details about your OKX, and then once you can see this, move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see a group of dots. After clicking on that, you'll be brought to the profiles page where you see your email, profile and settings, identity verification, etc. Scroll down to the last part where you can see more, and then under the more tab, you can see options like learn, community, then support. Just go ahead and click on support. That is the customer support. After clicking on support, you'll be taken to the support center where you can see a search box showcasing access anything. Then you can see the self-service option, which includes articles related to the questions that you might have. All right, and then you can see top questions, you can see FAQ, all of these. You can see security report and all. And then if you checked out all of these and you could not find an answer to your question, just come to the lower part of the screen here and click on chat with us. All right, so after clicking chat with us, you'll be taken to another page where you can now continue to contact the customer service. But before then, wait for it to load. Once it has loaded, you can now be able to chat with OKX support virtually, and then a response will be given as swiftly as possible. So this is how it works. Ensure you contact the support today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.